Example.
Golden
Exhibit
brown.
A. Exhibit A.
You want it golden. Yes, golden brown.
Why did I put the rejects?
Because on the inside, there are no rejects here.
Oh, yeah.
We don't actually have a wastebasket here, so you would have to go in.
Okay, I'll golden brown like that.
Let me see yours, Alex. How'd it turn out?
No.
He's working on it.
But you have to keep on spinning it.
Yeah, you got. Wow, you are an expert. You've been doing this a lot. Yeah. You do a lot of camping?
No, I just had a fire pit like. I had a fire pit like 2 weeks ago. Started doing it.
Okay.
Jonathan. You gonna make one, Jonathan?
Well, if you sit on that side, you'll feel better. Because it's
And crisscross? What you got?
Having so much fun. Marshmallows on a stick.
Mine is golden brown. It's good enough.
Oh, yes, that's beautiful.
Wait, how does it look?
Yeah.
God, it's so gold.
No. Oh, look at that marshmallow.
See with your eyes, not your
Wow,
hands.
that's a cool marshmallow. It looks like a platypus.
It's like a chef's hat. How does it taste?
It's like a pancake. Has it? You answer my question.
Oh, there we go. Perfect. It must have been all those prayers.
And you'll tell it's perfect if it's like